And yo guys, welcome back to another update on Super Typhoon Bavi, which is now at the peak, 155 knots and 901 millibars, which in miles an hour, that is 180 miles an hour, 901 millibars. Now there is a consensus for another developing eyewall replacement cycle happening. Don't know if it started now or if it's going to happen in the next 6 hours. We know for a fact it is going through an eyewall replacement. Well, or it's probably already started, or it's going to eventually do one. But as you can see, Super Typhoon Bavi is looking very good right now. Still, um, the JTWC did update this like an hour or 2 hours ago to 180 miles an hour. This is what it looked like yesterday, July 4th, after the eyewall replacement cycle. 2340 Zulu, which was about 1240 last night. This is when it was still a Cat 4 at this point. And then, obviously, then started to get some more, good convection. 12 o'clock UTC, which is about 1 o'clock UK time. Um, and then I'm doing hourly intervals. So 1 o'clock, which is 2 a.m. UK time. 2 o'clock, which was 2 o'clock UTC or Zulu, which is basically 3 o'clock UK time. Uh, 3 o'clock Zulu is 4 a.m. Um, 4 o'clock is 5 a.m. 6 o'clock is 7 a.m. So roughly round about, I think it was six Zulu. It got upgraded to Category 5 again. So it went from about 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6, 7 hours. Um, as a Cat 4 still. But, and this has only got upgraded, and then this is just went kaboom. 9Z, which is 10 o'clock UK time. Um, so that's what it is right now. 9Z, 1430 Zulu. That's the time now, and it is going through an hour replacement now because you can tell when it's going through an hour replacement. It's because the eye starts to shrink, and the eye starts to shrink, and the CDO starts to wobble, which is what it is doing right now. But other than that, though, this about 12 o'clock Z to about 2 o'clock Zulu. No, it was at 1 o'clock UTC, which is about 2 a.m., no, 2 p.m. British summertime was when it peaked. 2 a.m. I meant 2 p.m. should I say, not 2 a.m. My bad. 2 p.m. British summertime is when it peaked at 180, 901 millibars. But mm, this morning I had it. I was about 175. Um, Also, when I woke up this morning, it looked very good on Saturday anyway. So, in my opinion, I went with 175 and then I eventually upgraded it to 180. So, that's the storm. This is what it also looks like on satellite imagery, like proper, actual, proper satellite imagery. Visible, should I say? Visible high res. I don't think it will show it because it's still dark nighttime over there. Yeah, it won't. Okay. Right. Here's the JTWC, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, on Typhoon Bavi. Um, so this is what they have it as: 155, 155, 150, 150, 150, 145, 140, 125, and then 110. So it still could be a major typhoon when it's near in Taiwan. So it's still gonna rack up the ace in the Western Pacific for this storm. This is gonna be a short update, guys, so do bear in mind with that. Um, I will show you the visible shortwave IR. This is kind of what it does look like right now on the satellite imagery, and oh boy, it looks very impressive. I mean, it is moving a little bit south. Guam's not going to be in place, so don't worry. It's not going to make landfall in Guam. But if it carries on moving south, it could graze the coast of Guam. But it's most likely going to hit Tinian, because you've got Guam, Tinian, Saipan, and Rota. It's going to hit Tinian. Um, is it Tinian? I don't know. I don't know what this. I think that's Tinian. Or this is Rota. I don't know. I'm not really. I get those islands mixed around, guys. So if I'm confused, um, doesn't matter. But I can always correct it in the next update. But yeah, this is meant to be a super typhoon for the next 2 or 3 days. So yeah, I mean, it's still meant to be a Cat 5 until the 7th, which is in 2 days. So yeah, I'm pretty impressive to be fair, guys. Pretty impressive. But you got flash flooding alerts for Guam, no, for Guam and the whole of Rota or Tinian, wherever the island is. But and you also got typhoon warnings on Rota as well. But also even dangerous mudslides and on the storm. But also in Guam there was a tornado that was confirmed. But anyway, guys, I have to wrap it up here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. See you all in the next video. Stay safe. Updates will be out constantly next following days. Um, I'll also do an impact video after the storm has finished for the impacts in Taiwan and the impacts that it impacted on the Mariana Islands. So stay tuned for that. That will be out after the storm has dissipated. But stay tuned for the next update, which probably will be later on or tomorrow. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. See you all in the next video. Stay safe from Bavi and peace. And have a great day, afternoon, or evening. And there's a goodbye from me.